Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So my wife ordered some Costco, and she put this on the list. This roasted lobster raviolis. It's my first time having it, so I want to see what it do. And I say, why not go ahead and put it on this nice, delicious channel? You know what I mean? We do everything else, so we'll go ahead and make this happen. But make sure you go by the directions. You know what I mean? You once your water start boiling, throw it in there for 4 minutes, in and out. So I had to clean me up some shrimps, put some shrimps with it, because you know the wife loves shrimps. I also love shrimps too. So I'm just going to say it like this. I'll never leave home without it. We also have our garlic clove chopped up. I did like 6 garlic heads because I love garlic. But like I say, it's that time. It's winter time. Keep the cold away. Make sure you always use your garlic. So what we're going to do right now, we'll go ahead and spray this with this butter flavor. You want that seasoning to stick. So this is the season that I'm using. I'm going to use some onion powder. Let me just show the name of it. Alright, we got onion powder. Paprika. I was trying to find some smoked paprika, but they didn't have none. So if you have some smoked paprika for your shrimps, make sure you keep that on deck. Give it that nice, beautiful color. Okay. We also have our Italian seasoning. Alright. I love that Italian seasoning. I love it. So I'm always keep some of that in the cabinet. Then we have our onion powder. Okay, that's nice seasoning. We'll go hit it with a little bit of that Old Bay seasoning. You know that Old Bay good for the seafood, but we ain't gonna use too much of it. That's all we need right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in. Then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so we have 1 stick of salted butter. Go ahead and place our shrimp in there. And the butter was froze. So we have to give it a minute to melt. Okay, so I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add my minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I told you I love garlic. Alright. We'll go ahead and let that cook for a little while longer. Okay, that's how we're looking. Throw me a little more Italian seasoning. I want to taste that garlic. Butter. A little more Old Bay seasoning. Onion powder. So it's gonna be my first time with these noodles, stuffed pasta, raviolis, stuffed raviolis. It's gonna be my first time with the lobster drink. We'll see how it turn out. Put them bad boys over. Oh yeah, that's no good too. Now if we throw our garlic clove in there. Go ahead and mix that in. Once they get the noodles in there. Alright, so the water's boiling, and that's how we looking. And remember, it's 4 minutes. That's all you need is 4 minutes. Once I set them in there, I'm gonna go ahead and put my timer on. Boom, 4 minutes. That's all we need. Now if they go ahead and let this food cook, then we'll get it on a nice plate. Alright, so here we go right here. You know it's nothing like tasting your own food. So we're gonna grab a nice fork. We're gonna try these pasta first. It's cool. Hope y'all enjoy. With the little lobster meat in the middle. There we go. And don't forget to hit that like button for your boy. Peace. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our butter, garlic, lobster raviolis, and shrimp. When I say this smells so good, this is, man, it smells good. I haven't tasted yet. You know, I have to make this plate for the good family and friends. And also I have to make my thumbnail. I told you I love garlic, for real. But the wife, she over there eating it up. How it tastes?
Delicious.
Okay, she said it tastes fire. She said delicious, but, you know, I just said fire. But your boy made it happen. Another video. I hope y'all enjoy. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.